How about
Ala-
si Carl
Alam mo,
Anthony
ma'am,
Nunez?
before you rumble on those many things.
No, I'm not rambling, Mr. Chair. Very specific yung mga tanong
Hindi,
ko.
specific ang law. Guilt is personal. Tanong ka muna ng abogado.
Okay lang po. Kayang-kaya kong magtanong sa abogado. Sige,
tanong ka
itanong
muna
ko
ngayon
po.
before we proceed.
No.
Hindi tayo
I
magkakaintindihan
have prepared
dito.
these questions with my
Guilt
legislative
is
staff.
personal.
Yes, it's very personal.
Hindi
So,
mo pwedeng ipasa sa iba yan.
no, hindi po ito pagpasa.
Ah,
Iniimbestiga
kaya nga.
po ng Blue Ribbon yung war on drugs at yung naging bunga na extrajudicial killings dyan. And I am basing my question dun sa mga sinabi ninyo repeatedly, parang tuwing Oktubre nga sinasabi nyo, na you will take responsibility.
Correct.
So now let me ask you about Carl Anthony Nunez, 20 years old. Walang nahanap na droga o baril sa katawan niya. Sabi nga ng investigador, mistaken identity. Do you take responsibility for his death?
You know, ma'am, can I ask for a recess of just a
It's
few
all right,
minutes?
Mr. Chair.
Yes. Hearing is suspended.
Can the chair talk to the senator?
Can the resource person not point his finger at a member of the committee?
Mr. President,
tayo.
wala ka na ba sa mood to answer questions? We can excuse you. Kasi, sabi mo kasi, sir, you came here to answer questions. So, I mean,
And Mr. Chair, the
if
chair
we can-
is fully capable of talking to a member of his subcommittee without being
Alam mo,
Pointed by the
pumapasok siya
resource
ng mga
person.
gano'n na wala sa bata.
No, Mr. Chair. I am
You-
basing it both on the policy question and yung mga sinabi mismo ng former president.
Suspended tayo. Mr. President,
Suspend muna
suspended
kayo,
to suspended
usap
ito.
kayo.
Mr. President, ano to? You can answer it in the way that you want to answer it. Pwede
Okay.
kang hindi masumagot, sabi mo or sige, so are we ready? Are we ready to resume? Okay,
Can
na
you
tayo.
repeat the question,
Hindi,
ma'am?
we will now
Yes.
wait a minute. So, okay, our hearing is resumed.
Salamat kaayo, Mr. Chair. Ang tanong ko po ay, if you take responsibility, as you said in October 2020, as you said in October 2021 about assuming responsibility for the war on drugs, do you take responsibility for the death of Carl Anthony Nunez, Mr. Chair?
Alam mo, yung policy, ma'am, hindi mo nakuha yung policy ng presidente.
Nakuha ko po, policy
I
maker
was
din po
talking
ako.
about the policy. I take full responsibility yung sinabi ko na war on drugs.
You said,
Pero
sir,
kung
you can hold me
magpasok
responsible
ka
for
ng
any death.
specific crime,
Yes, sir. You spoke
hindi
about
pwede yan.
you spoke about
At
specific
saka,
crimes.
kung sabihin ko, I will take full responsibility, magdating tayo sa korte, hindi naman tatanggapin yan.
Well, Mr. Chair, and if the resource person could keep his volume and pitch to a normal
Trying
level.
to pin me down on
Mr. Chair, you are pinned down by your own statements
you
of
cannot.
October.
You have to pin me
Mr.
down
Chair.
low.
I'm not trying to pin you
lawfully.
down
The
on
exchanges
air.
are no longer productive.
Mr.
So hearing
Chair.
is
Do not
suspended.
pin me down on semantics.
Okay.